No! No! Dude, that was a good fish. Dude, I made a good catch like that on that line. No, oh no, oh no! Green pumpkin water. Yeah. There we go. That's a good fish, son. Golly. Look at him. Oh, he's big. Yeah, you are. Get down and get his ass. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now we're talking. Look, he choked that sucker, too. Holy crap. What? Dude, that's a big one. Get that.
Thank you, Mama. What's going on, guys? We came back today to Austin because we had such a fun time yesterday. So we're gonna do a part 2 here. And we're not bed fishing this morning. We came to a different area. It's a little more stained, and we're flipping bushes. I mean, as you can see around us, it's all good looking stuff. I lost one at least that size earlier this morning on a jig, but it's been kind of slow, but they've been bigger. So hopefully we can catch a real giant today.
I didn't see my bait at first, so I know he was nose down. I didn't know where my bait was. And then I saw him swim, and I saw my light bait was gone.
Oh, keep a little more tension on your line. Keep it pretty tight. Tight. Yeah, he's got it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo!
Oh, I even found this one.
Found it, cast it, caught it. Oh, that's a good fish, dude. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, sad.
Yay.
2-9. Ready?
This is one of those.
Oh, he's a player.
Look at this guy here. What? No, I'm just telling you. Yeah! Are you kidding me? I mean, I dropped it down there. I mean, I genuinely just dropped it down there, and I saw him nosedive it. He did not flinch at all, and then he just.
Never have I ever.
Bad fishing is fun. Dude, like, even though we're not catching this fish, it's still fun.
Yeah.
Alright, make sure.
You got it now? Yeah.
I know I saw him over there in the corner of my eye when I was in. Oola.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That was awesome. He did not like that at all, did he?
Woo!
No,
Oh
didn't
my
he?
goodness.
Man, that fish. Woo. Look at that. Ooh. Nice.
Well, I think you drag all the equipment and really up close.
Yeah.
Get all the
That was cool. That was fun to flip it over him like that. He's all, ah. old hand-painted custom rattle trap. Like,
I wasn't lying.
kidding.
Really cool drag.
Huh?
Really cool drag. I thought it was all
Yeah,
it was all and I was like, oh wait.
Hey, where did you go? Get him in.
No, I changed it.
Back to a watermelon red.
Watermelon red. Chase this big crown. Big old fish. GoPro and I couldn't like jerk it.
Let's spinnerbait back. Spinnerbait back.
So I cast it out and then so maybe they're out there. So I jerked it up and then I had to like yeah, I get it around.
Man, I love it when a plan comes together. Woo. Alright guys, what we've done is we made a little run to a cove here that's got some old lily pads or something in it. And the wind's blowing in here. I figured it'd be a great spot for these spinnerbaits, and well, it's working out so far. That's two in the last little bit. Love it when a plan comes together. Oh my goodness, got a good fish back there.
I just cast it into that back corner and I picked up the first time and it was all bloop.
We should go back there.
No! That was a huge
That was
fish.
a big old fish, dude.
Well, I think we're convinced to maybe stay for a
no,
second.
son.